If you follow the guidelines I'm going to share in this video, you will be able to make that woman fall in love with you. One of the biggest concerns women have when meeting a man, and they all have this in mind, is the fear of being assaulted, violated, or hurt. It's a natural fear that permeates the mind of any woman when approaching someone of the opposite sex. So, armed with this knowledge, what you need to do is establish a sense of comfort for the woman. Understanding how to do this is crucial, and you'll grasp it better as we proceed. The key isn't just to tell her that you're a nice and reliable guy, but rather to demonstrate through your actions and behavior that she can feel safe and comfortable around you. You should never utter words that might trigger a red alert in her mind, such as saying things like, "Relax with me, I'm trustworthy, you can trust that I'll take you home safely." This type of statement can actually trigger a warning signal in her mind, as if it were shouting, "Be careful, run in the opposite direction." To gain the trust of this woman and make her fall in love with you, it's essential to avoid desperation. The security she seeks in you is linked to your own sense of security. Showing that you feel secure in yourself and have no fear of hurting her is crucial. Furthermore, it's essential to anchor your image to the feeling of well-being. This means that every time she looks at you or is in contact, she should automatically associate your presence with a positive and comforting feeling. This can be achieved by creating an atmosphere of respect, trust, and tranquility, without resorting to phrases that may cause discomfort or suspicion. You need to transport her to a playful and imaginative world because a woman's passion and desire are not awakened in the rational part, the prefrontal cortex, but rather in the limbic system, responsible for managing emotions. To make her feel desire for you, it's necessary to create an emotional, romantic, and engaging environment. Avoid rational and logical approaches because what we need is exactly the opposite, to connect with her emotions. There are 3 ways to lead a woman into the playful world, the realm of passion. The first approach is to ask open-ended questions about something she enjoys. For example, if she mentions that she loves history, inquire about the beginning of her passion for history, how she got interested in it. If the topic is yoga, ask about the start of her journey into that realm and how she became so engaged. Approach in a similar manner if you notice something specific, like a different bracelet, by questioning the story behind it and how it reflects on her personality. If she moved to a new city, explore the positive experience of that change, asking how she decided to move and what she thinks of the new city. By asking open-ended questions, you establish a positive association. She will neuro-associate you with things she likes or experiences. This makes her start associating positive feelings with conversations with you. In the second approach, you express romantic feelings positively. Imagine approaching a woman you've never seen before. When starting a conversation on the street, you could say something like, "Excuse me, I was walking around here, and your style caught my attention. I knew that if I didn't stop to talk to you now, I would miss the chance to get to know you. I felt I needed to come over." You know, those things that happen in movies, where people feel they never have the courage to do. That's exactly what I'm doing now. I saw you, felt it was the moment, and decided to take a risk. After all, if I didn't talk to you today, I might never have the opportunity. It seemed like something straight out of a movie, and I just had to act. This description wraps the situation in a romantic atmosphere, connecting to feelings often portrayed in movies, providing the woman with an experience of passion and excitement. In the 5th/6th, you emphasize how incredible it is when things align, and passion for someone arises, whether through a kiss, the ambience of the home, or the connection during sex. You express how rare it is to experience these special moments. You might say something like, "I believe it's amazing when we fall in love with someone, especially when everything aligns, from the first kiss to the harmony in the home and the intimate connection. These moments are truly unique, and I find that incredible. They don't happen so often, and I value each time these special experiences arise. Kissing you, for example, is something that makes me associate such clear and special feelings." If you want her to genuinely fall in love with you, it's important to express these feelings authentically. This approach creates a positive and authentic association with the special moments they share, reinforcing feelings of passion. In the third approach, to create a playful world, observe details in her appearance or things she mentioned. This allows you to make small interpretive jokes with her. For example, if she shares her ambitious plans to achieve something at a young age, you can playfully say, "Oh, so you're planning to dominate the world at this age? What ambition! The next world superpower might be emerging right here." These subtle and interpretive jokes make the interaction lighter and more relaxed, adding a touch of fun to the relationship. So, you can incorporate these small jokes when interacting with her. Playing in this way will help her associate positive emotions with you, initiating the process of falling in love unconsciously. She will feel that she is on a light scale, where you represent safety and no danger. By giving the polarity of a fun friend instead of being perceived as a potential danger, you build an image in which she feels secure to fall in love, creating the desire to be with you. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, click the like button so I know I could help you. Subscribe to the channel to keep receiving valuable content, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified whenever I post videos. Big hug to you all, see you soon.